Can you clean your own dryer vent or do you need a professional? The honest answer is, it depends on your vent setup. DIY works if your dryer vents directly through the wall right behind the machine. Short, straight run. 4 feet or less. You can reach the entire vent with a basic brush kit from the hardware store. Those kits cost $20 to $30 and work fine for simple setups. DIY doesn't work if your vent goes up through the ceiling, through the attic, or across the roof. Runs with multiple elbows and turns. Vents longer than 8 feet. Second floor laundry rooms. These require commercial-grade rotary brushes and high-powered vacuums that reach the entire length. The risk of incomplete DIY cleaning: if you only clean the first few feet, the remaining duct is still clogged. The dryer pushes lint past the clean section and it packs tighter against the clog further down. You've actually made it worse. What professionals do differently: we disconnect the dryer from the wall vent. Clean from both ends, inside and outside. Use a rotating brush that scrubs the entire interior surface. Then vacuum everything out. We also inspect the vent for damage, disconnections, or crushed sections that restrict airflow. One thing most people don't know: the flexible foil duct connecting your dryer to the wall should be replaced every 5 years. The accordion folds trap lint. We replace them with smooth semi-rigid aluminum duct during cleaning. Dryer vent cleaning starting at $100. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.